traders, Mike Hamilton for Trade Easy Way. I'm not in the trading room tomorrow for a couple of reasons. A, there's hardly any data out anyway, and B, I'm just sorting out a few things to do with the courses that are up and coming and the membership details. So stay tuned. In the meantime, it's as well that I've done this video late because we just opened up on the Sunday night and gapped down to 270, which is a huge area of support, but this pound US dollar is very, very weak. Nerves about possible Brexit and the referendum in June is going to create a lot more volatility. So any sort of partial gap fill will be about 350. So any push into 330, 350 could potentially see the gap fill closed and return to the trend, which at the moment is down. I think it's always a good sign that the trend may be intact when you've got waves to the downside like this, but on any push back up to the upside, i.e. here, you can't close above the 8 and the 20. That's a sure sign that this is not ready to hold up, and the gap down is evidence of that. So watch out for that gap fill on the pound US. In the meantime, on the euro, we are stuck at this point here on the 50% fib. So I would give this a day, see where we are on Monday, and then just see which way we close around this area here. Path of the least resistance, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, D, way to the upside. So this is potentially wave 1, so it could move into wave 2. And then finally start to leg down. So I would leave this based on all this support up here. This is gap down as well, but any push up into these areas here, 250, could see this rolling over. Because I'm looking for a similar pattern to here. So we had big push the upside here, pull back, push the upside, pull back, and then finally they let go here. So I think we may see a repeat of that up here. Any push into 250 and 113 could see this roll over. Okay, let's look at the indices and I'll leave it. Okay, sticking to the Dow, you can see I have this area of resistance marked up here, and we bumped into it on Thursday, Friday, and then closed underneath it. So it's hard to call. I think the path of least resistance you have to say is down. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're in a potential B wave correction, a corrective B wave here, which would see us come and meet 200. At which point, if we fail 200, then I think we're going to drift lower. So, of course, if we start closing above 460, 500, then that could lead the door open for a 750 and 17,000 move. But this is looking like we are heading lower at the moment. Data front, very, very thin on Monday, and the main pinnacle piece of data during the week are UK GDP on Thursday with business investment levels, and European inflation on Friday, US GDP on Friday as well. So first half of the week is pretty thin, so take it very easy. Okay, on Traders Round Table I will be doing a fuller review, but markets are lackluster to weak at the moment, so that's what I'll be looking at. As far as trading this is concerned, I'm only pulled back into the 450 area. Any sell signals in the 450 area are at this stage to be shorted. I do hope that helps. Like I said, look out for all the latest information on the latest courses and membership details. All of those of you who've been on a free trial, that trial has now come to an end, so I will be emailing you about details about what I'm offering in the membership package and why you need to get on board and take advantage of what's coming up, what events are coming up. All right, enjoy what's left of your weekend, and see you on Monday.